We will continue to talk about this issue, this topical varnish. What does it mean to be like a local varnish? For example, this picture is just to varnish the colored area, or this picture. Give him the tree, flowers, leaves, varnish these places. Then these bottoms are not varnished. Is that what you mean? It's called topical varnish. So we drag this picture into PS. In fact, the effect of making that relief is similar, still the same. Let's add the left button to this Ctrl and choose this. This picture doesn't work. We choose this magic wand tool. Click first next to it is a blank place, then shift it and control it. Press anti-selection again. In that case, we have selected. There are places of color in this picture. In that case, we'll build a new one for him in the channel spot color. Change it to varnish. So one of our varnish channels is ready. Do another export, right? Same thing. We go into the rip and give him a rip diagram. Wait for him to finish the rip. We can put it in the printing software. Open the ripped picture, then print. It's still the same. We choose color and varnish. Select print.